This video is about importing depth-only elements. I'm in my GINT Civil Tools project, and here I have imported in boreholes and lithology. In my database connectivity, I am going to add a new data type, water levels. Here you can see I have several different data types to choose from. For this one, I'm going to select depth only. It gives the example of environmental, but it can be anything with a depth-only reading, such as water levels, laboratory readings, etc. I click OK. Now I fill in my dialog. In this example, we are using the standard GINT US files, so I'll be mapping to those elements in the water levels table. For identifier, I'm using reading event. If you do not have a reading event or identifier, you can leave this blank. Again, I can populate any additional information from the water tables that I like. And here you can see level creation. I can choose none, which means the information goes on to the default level. Identifier, which means it would come from reading event or the identifier value, or else table name, which means it would go onto a level created based on the table name. This is useful if you do not have a unique identifier for your reading events. For this one, I'll choose identifier. And here you can see I can choose either a sphere or a disk for my reading events. I'm going to keep it with sphere. And the size, this is for display purposes only. It's based upon your master unit. Again, it's visual purposes only, so I'll enter in 6 for now. And then I can say OK. I now query all. And now you can see I have my boreholes. The spheres you see are my water level events. There are 2 different colors in this picture. The green is for ATD, or at time of drilling. The gray is for after drilling. And if I go into my level display information, you can see ATD and AD. So if I were to turn off ATD, the ATD disappears. If I turn off my AD, the after drilling levels disappear. So it's a good way to isolate and see any trends.